I'm going to make pickled cucumbers. Sorry, no makeup. Okay, these are Japanese cucumber. I've thought it. Vinegar. I use apple vinegar because this is the only one that I have at home. Sugar and salt. That's it. So you start off by cleaning your cucumber and cut off the heads, and then you can start cutting it. Okay, so far. Okay. I'm going to put in this airtight container because later on I'm going to put in the fridge. So I'm going to put all this cut cucumber into there. After cutting all the cucumbers, you have to put 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 big tablespoon of salt to this, and then just marinate it. I use hand now. I eat myself, one doesn't matter. Okay, and then let it sit for a few minutes. The reason why we put salt is not to get the saltiness, but to force the water or the water in the cucumber to come out, because there's a bitter, sort of a little bit bitter taste of the salt. So I put in salt. You can see this is a close-up. Okay, waiting for the water from the cucumber to be forced out from the cucumber itself. Okay, I'm using this container. Later on, I will put it into the fridge. Yeah, this is an airtight container. Okay, let it sit for a while. So while waiting, I want to show you how pretty is my cutting board. So girlish, right? It's in pink. Okay, I really like this. It's actually small. Usually I use it to cut fruits, but I think the cucumber is fruits also, so I think it's okay. Let's check out the cucumber. You see? Can you see there's water here? I didn't add any water. These are all the waters from the cucumber that I think it's done. I'm going to wash this away. Okay, actually soak in water and wash it away. So I've washed off the water, removed the water, marinate it to become pickled cucumber. We need 4 spoons of vinegar. And we need sugar. Also 4 spoons. As you can see, this airtight container, not too bad, very easy to use actually. This is the 2nd spoon of sugar, pickle stuff. But to balance off the taste, because just now we marinate with what is it called? Salt. So I mean, I think I'm going to put 3.5 just to be safe. Now, give a good massage again before we put them into fridge for a couple of minutes. Give it a try. Nice. Here is the closer look of the pickled cucumber or the preserved cucumber. You can see there is some sauce because of the vinegar. Okay, so I'm going to put into the airtight container. Cut my pickles cucumber. Ah, looks so delicious. Yummy.